So good day guys and welcome back. Now let's take a look at what we are expecting next on our GBPUSD. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. So click on the bell notification. Also, once you subscribe, click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any further updates. Now, take a look at this movement. Let's start with our trend on GBPUSD. So we can clearly see that this is an option. So we all know that market tends to give us three movements, right? It's either market is trending to the downside, like the way it did previously. This was what it did previously. It was trending to the downside. This was previously downtrend move. Now this is our trend right now, which is an uptrend move. Market is giving us a series of higher, right? Market also tends to give us the third movement, which is a ranging market move, whereby market will be moving sideways. I think this is it here, something like this. So you can see that this here is likely a sideways movement, right? So when you take a look at it here, we are in an uptrend. So this is our high. Here comes our higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Here is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is our higher high. And here comes the higher low. So market has now given us a bullish move, which is an higher high. So is this higher high over? Definitely not. This higher high is not over. We still expect more further movement to the upside. So that is to tell you that market GBPUSD will still give us a bullish move. So we are still anticipating more bullish move. So we should be expecting a bullish move on GBPUSD. So let's say a little bit of a pullback and then another push up is what you should be expecting on GBPUSD. If there will be any changes to this movement, right, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. That is why you need to click on that subscribe button right now, like, share, and make your comments.